Welcome all. My name is Atisha Bhoir, lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the practicals of mobile application development, the list of practicals and the explanation. So first we'll start from the practical number 1. Before that, practical manual is of 25 marks and end semester practical exam, which will be external exam. External viva and practical will be 25 marks and total is 50 marks for the practical. Now we will see, this is the manual view of mobile application development. Subject code is 22617. So the practicals which are red mark will be performed. Okay, जो प्रैक्टिकल को रेड पेन से मार्क किया है वो प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करना है. सो देयर इज टोटल 27 प्रैक्टिकल वी नीड टू परफॉर्म. सो फर्स्ट इज द प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 2, दैट इज इंस्टॉल एंड कॉन्फ़िगर जावा डेवलपमेंट किट, दैट इज जेडीके, एंड्रॉयड स्टूडियो एंड एंड्रॉयड एसडीके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल installation, we will do the installation of Android Studio, and for the Android Studio we want Java development kit, right? Java development kit and Android Studio and Android SDK, these three things we need to install for performing the practical. So this is the practical number 2. Now here the practicals which are red mark will perform that practical. Okay, so there is total 32, but we will perform only 27 practicals. So practical number 8, 1, practical number 1, practical number 8, then 19, 20 and 25. These 5 practicals we will not perform. So there is only 27 practicals in the syllabus. Okay, so first we will start from the first practical, that is install and configuration of Java development kit, Android Studio and Android SDK. So in the classroom I have uploaded the PDF of manual. You see in the MAD subject I have uploaded the complete PDF of manual. So in that manual you will see these questions only. I have added these questions in this PPT. So there are 2 types of questions, that is practical related question and exercise. Okay, so first of all we will do the installation, configuration of Java development kit, Android Studio and Android SDK. So for performing the Android application development programming, we need Java development kit, we need Android Studio software and we need Android SDK. Okay, so with the Android Studio, Android SDK will be came. Okay, so how to install the JDK? Go to the Google. For Android we need JDK version 5 or later versions. Okay, not the below versions of JDK, we need JDK 5 or later version. So first of all install JDK. Just type here install JDK. For Windows, for Mac, any device you have. Okay, so install JDK. Now this Java SE development kit 8. Okay, so you can take this Java development kit 8. Okay, so we need JDK 5 or later version, so you can take the JDK, install it from here, click on it and install it. Okay, so for Android Studio we need first Java development kit, we need to install first Java development kit. So install Java development kit. Okay, and install it in the C drive like this. I have installed my Java development kit in the C drive. It will be in the program files. So this is the Java, installed it in the C drive. Now the next is, next we need to install is Android Studio. So how to get the Android Studio? You can take it from the official website of Android also, or you can go to the Get Into PC. Get Into PC, type Get Into PC and here click on it just type here Android Studio, press on go, and then this is the second we need to take. Click on here Android Studio 3.0 free download, and then here is all the explanation of the Android Studio. Go in the below side, and then here Android SDK and Android Studio. So I told you, first of all we need to install JDK, second is Android Studio and Android SDK. So without Android SDK is the software development kit of Android. So without Android SDK we can't do the Android programming, okay? So we need the Android SDK, and it came with the Android application. So don't worry, when you install the Android Studio, we'll get this Android SDK also. So this first download is the Android SDK, and this second download is the application, okay? Our Android application, main application of Android. So these two you need to download. When you download it, when these two you will download it, then you will get the RAR file, zip file, okay? You will get the zip file like this. This is the Android Studio main application file, and this is the SDK file, okay? So this two zip file you will get. Now extract those files, right click on it, and then from any zip software like 7-zip I have. So if you don't have, then download first 7-zip or WinRAR, and then from that 7-zip you extract file. Extract this RAR file. It will be not open. You need to extract it. Extract file, and then here this folder you will get SDK. This is the SDK RAR file, and this is my extracted file of SDK, okay? This is the Android Studio RAR file, and when you extract it, you will get this Android Studio folder, okay? So when you extract these two files, you will get these two folders, okay? Now Android SDK we don't have to do here. Just click on the Android Studio main application. This remains same. Don't click on here, okay? We don't need to do anything here. Click on the Android Studio, and then here this is the main application of Android. When you click on it, it will ask you for running the application, okay? Installation of application. When you click on it, in my laptop it is already installed, so I am not clicking here. When you click here, it will ask for the installation. Just do the installation. When you install it, this windows will be came. So this is the first window. Just press next here, okay? Next here. When you install it, this first window will become. Press next on here, and then take a standard version, not a custom, okay? Press next, and then here you can select any UI theme you want, okay? And then press finished here. When you finished it, it will get on the downloading component. It will download the component, okay? It will take time, so wait, it will take time. And then when this downloading will be completed, then this is the window. This window will be came. Now here just click on start a new project, okay? And then here give your project name, okay? And then you can give any project name here. Give the project location where your project will be saved, okay? So my suggestion is use the default location given by the Android Studio, okay? Don't use this my projects, okay? You take the default position, default location, sorry, you take the default location which is given by the Android Studio and just remember that location so you can find your projects. Okay, now this is the click on the phone and tablet. Don't click where TV, Android Studio. Don't check this check boxes. Okay, your application size will be increased. Just check this all only. Press on the next. Now the next is empty activity. Okay, just press on the empty activity. Press on next. Now this is the main activity. Don't make changes here. Don't make any changes here. Use the default names given by Android Studio. Don't make any changes here. Press on next. And then it will install your requested components. And then when it will be installed, then press on the finish. So it will take time. Okay, so wait here. And then Gradle will be downloaded. This all the procedure will be do by the installer. Okay, you don't need to do anything here. And then this Android Studio will be started. So this is the last step. And this is the default position which will be given by the Android Studio. Okay, this is the default location. Don't make changes here. Use that location only. Only remember the location. Okay, so you will get to know where your projects are saved. Okay, so use the default location given by the Android Studio. This is the default. Okay, so your Android Studio will be look like this. I have my Android Studio here. So your Android Studio will be look like this. Okay, if it is asking for the update after installing, then update it. Okay, update to the latest version. If it is asking for the update here, it in the terminal part, it will ask for the update. If your design is not loading like this, then please update your software. Then only your design will be loaded. In some software, it is not loading. So go to the terminal part. It is giving you errors. Okay, so update your software. Here only update will be come. So press on the update and update your software. Then your design will be loaded. Okay, so use the latest version of Android. If it is asking for the update, then update it. Okay, it will take time, but update it. Okay, so this is the practical number 2, installation. Okay, so this question you need to solve. We already solved in the lecture these questions. Okay, so these are the questions which can be asked in the Viva. There is no exercise in the, there is no program in the practical number 2, only these questions. Okay, so these questions you solve. We already take these questions in the lecture. So if you don't know the answers, then find out the answers, and these answers, learn these answers. Okay, so this is the practical number 2. So in the next video, we will see the practical number 3. Thank you.